Where are we at?
We are at Dogwood Canyon and Branson, Hollister area.
Yeah. It's really, really close to actually like Blue Eye, Missouri. So we're gonna walk around here and show you guys kind of the sights and stuff, and may see if we can get on some tandem bicycles.
Yeah.
And ride around. So, and then so we're doing that, and we're going where else?
Hopefully Top of the Rock.
Hopefully go to Top of the Rock also. And we got golf carts to ride around there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry. And then we're going to, where are we going tonight?
Guy Fieri tonight.
Yeah, we're going to Guy Fieri's restaurant tonight. So
we're trying to do a bunch of things in Branson that we normally don't do or haven't done. So just new things.
Yeah, it'll be awesome.
Not the typical Branson trip, but
yep.
you know, like new things. So.
Yep. So, well, anyway, when you see us again, we'll probably be headed to Top of the Rock.
Bye.
Or actually on the bikes. So, if we can get on the bikes.
Top of the Rock bikes?
No, bikes here.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Okay, see you guys. Okay, so, all right, we got some bikes and have totally been riding them for a little bit, and this place, absolutely beautiful. Like, here, let me show you this right here. Pretty spot, but it is not the prettiest waterfall that there is here. So, and if you can see behind me, this is one of the bridges they have to go across the lake here. But if you look at the bottom, you have up and down and over and everything. So you have to walk the bikes across. But anyway, there's our bikes, and there's Ash. Say hi. Hello. So yeah, this place is pretty cool. believe, actually. So Ash would have loved to come over here, but there's a snake on that rock right there that's dead. But she's terrified of snakes. So if you guys ever want to like pull a prank on her, use snakes.
The most extraordinary thing this whole park has. The backside of the waterfall! If you've been to Disney World or Disneyland, you know that joke from Jungle Cruise. The same.
Okay, so apparently this whole complex, Dogwood Canyon, covers all, or goes across, sorry, the state line of Arkansas. So we rode our bikes across it, and we are about, well, Ash already has, I have not. So I'm about to ride my bike across the state line again, back to Missouri, losing balance.
So we just got done with our biking. That was a long process. But now we're going up to this Treehouse, Master's Treehouse, which was a TV show, I believe, on Animal Planet. But anyways, they build up big tree houses and they built one here. So yeah, we're about to see it.
we just finished up Dogwood Canyon. Went through a couple things, as you saw. Got all the way to the back to the waterfall bowl thing.
Yeah,
I can't remember what it's
Wishing
called.
Well,
Wishing bowl, something. I don't remember. It said something bowl. So, well, I forgot to tell you, they give you like wristbands or whatever for the day. I'm sure they change color throughout the day. And we also have a bike one, which is blue. So, they give you that.
The biking was neat.
Yes. My bike sucked. It was not very well taken care of. Kept missing a little bit. Like I'd be pedaling along and then I don't know where it goes and it catches it again. So, and my seat was not tight. So like they were definitely need to do a little more maintenance on them things for sure. You had an okay bike.
Yeah, mine was perfect. I think one thing I would recommend if you have walking problems, like it's 6 miles front and back total. So they do have like little tram like tours, which is pretty cool, honestly. I would probably want to do that because it's guided, and the people that were driving it, super friendly. Like one was joking with me because he was way ahead of me, and he said that the guide told me that Brady went ahead and went to Arkansas without me, which was funny because I didn't know up ahead there's actually a spot where it says "Welcome to Arkansas." Right,
yeah, we filmed that earlier.
So that was pretty cool, and I didn't know at first. I just thought he was being funny.
Yeah.
So super friendly. They all wave at you when you're, biking along and everything. So.
So yeah, the tram guys were awesome. The people whenever we were like checking in with our admission and the bike, they were jerks.
They're not very friendly.
Yeah, they weren't very friendly.
They're kind of rude.
I mean, I guess jerks was kind of a tough statement, but they were not very people friendly. So,
yeah. But I liked the tram people. They were really funny and friendly, waving all the time. So.
But I mean, they have good people skills. They have to, I think. So I mean, like if you don't, the tour would suck. But.
And I think that it would be neat to come back and do the tram tour because it goes a little further than we do on the trail, and they go into the animal section.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And then they tell you things that's not on the little map about, like the little spots that we stop at, like the waterfall and the chapel and everything. So I thought that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, they give you a little more information, and apparently, like, this is also a wedding venue, so like you can get married out here in the little chapel. And they do photos and stuff at all these little like waterfalls and special places, and they make sure that there's nobody in the way for you to get your photo taken.
Right, a private event.
Like, yeah, there's no bikes, there's no people just fishing out of nowhere, because you can do that too. You can fish down here too. So yeah. We ran into a guided fishing guy on a golf cart while we were riding, and he was saying that it's catch and release, but there is a place here where you can catch and not release. So. And
he was really funny too.
Yeah, he was pretty funny too. So.
He was fun to talk to.
Yeah. So anyway, it has started raining, but which stinks. But I think we were just planning on riding golf carts at
Top of the Rock. I don't know if we're gonna go
rock.
Or not. It kind of just depends on the weather because it is thundering. So I don't know if they'll let you.
And we're kind of hungry.
Yes, we are very hungry.
So
it's 1 o'clock right now.
Yeah,
so
it is 1 o'clock.
It's past lunchtime.
Yeah. So.
And we might do it tomorrow, maybe.
Yeah, we could.
So we'll see.
So all right. Well, until then.